This is the anti-theft housing I got for my Blink doorbell, because the housing that came with the unit is extremely delicate. Unfortunately, this thing's not much better. It's got a couple of security screws under here that anybody with some motivation can go get a star screwdriver. So overall, this thing's still pretty light. Somebody can break it without too much effort. So my search for housing continues.
As you can see, here's the Blink doorbell put on, and what I will tell you is you need to get the wedge that goes behind it, because it's highly recommended, because if not, it's either just facing straight out and you can't see as someone comes up, and it's kind of the way it curves around, it makes it more towards where the door is at, so you can see people straight on rather than just seeing this way. So hopefully it helps you. Highly recommend it. I love it. You don't pay for monthly storage. Everything is on your phone, super easy to use and install.
Echo, show home camera.
Did you mean G8T1SJ02230401E2N?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello?